Okay. So this is the simple circuit that we will discuss today, right? For path sensitization. Now first, now you have to solve this circuit. Okay. You have to tell me what are different steps and how to solve this circuit. Okay. You can start. What should I do first?
Consider the path.
Yes. What we have to do?
Consider the path.
We will have to consider the first path. Okay. Now, which path I should consider?
W1 ADF.
Which path? Which path I should consider first? Tell me.
W1 ADF.
Very good. W1 to A to D to F. Okay. Okay. Fine. I have considered this part. Now we have to write the input conditions. Okay. Now, as we are concentrating on W1, right, means, or you can say we are applying our input at W1, right? So first we have to give 0 and then we have to give 1. Okay. Now in that case, what we should apply to W2 and W3?
W21 W30.
Very good. W2 1 and W3 0. So here also 1 0. Okay, fine. So this is what we have to apply. Now for this first case, we have to check the corrected output first, and then what will be the wrong output. Okay. Now first check what is the corrected output. Now for calculating the corrected output, consider that there is no fault in this circuit, and then calculate the output for this condition. First 0 1 0.
1.
1. Very good. This is the corrected output. Okay. What will be the wrong output then? But obvious it should be 0. 0 is the wrong output. Now you have to concentrate when, right, for this path, that means W1 ADF, for this path, which faults leads to this test vector's output as a 0. म्हणजे हा टेस्ट वेक्टर कन्सिडर केला असताना, राइट, 0 1 0. सो W1 is 0, W2 is 1, W3 is 0. हा टेस्ट वेक्टर अप्लाय केले असताना या पाथ मध्ये म्हणजे W1 ADF मध्ये आउटपुट 0 कधी येऊ शकतं, त्या कंडिशन्स आता तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायच्या. सांगा त्या कंडिशन्स. First.
F stuck at 0.
Okay, this is the first condition, f stuck at 0. Okay, fine. So first condition, f stuck at 1. Sorry, f stuck at 0. That's correct. Next, what about D?
D stuck at 1.
Very good.
Don't.
D. Uh, D stuck at 1 or 0?
Don't care.
See, for this part. So here will be 0, 1. So it will produce 0. And this 0 and this W2, that means C0, then 0, 0. Okay, fine. But in that case, if suppose D stuck at 0, that means it's permanently stuck at 0, then it will produce the 0 output. And the 1 output is corrected one. And if D stuck at 1, then it will produce the 1 corrected output. But we want 0 output. So if D stuck at 0, then it will produce the 0 output. 0 or 0, it will be 0. So D stuck at 0. Next condition. What about A? What about A? What about A?
A stuck at 0.
Very good. If A stuck at 0 or A stuck at 1? हा जर का A 1 ला stuck झाला, okay, then what is the 1 and 1? It will be 1, and 1 or 0, it will be 1. But if this A and 1 we don't want, we want 0. So this A got permanently stuck at 0, then only it will produce the 0 output, that is the uncorrected one. Okay, here it is producing the 0, and 0 XOR with okay, first we have to check what is the this 1 is correct one.
Sir, expected output
तेच
0.
इथेच चुकलंय आपलं. Expected output itself is a 0. And uncorrected is 1. Now you check.
F stuck at 1.
Then F should be stuck at 1. What about D? D stuck at
1.
1. Very good. And what about A?
1.
A stuck at 1. Well, now it's correct. Okay. Now check for this condition. That means now you can say these test vectors can detect these faults. Simple meaning. Okay. Now check for these test vectors. Okay. First calculate what is the corrected output. Now 1 1 0. What is corrected output?
1.
1. What will be the faulty output then? 0. 0 is the faulty output. Now tell the conditions. F stuck at 0. First I will write. What about D? Consider the same path. What about D? What about D?
D stuck at 0.
Very good. Right? If suppose this D, it's permanently gets stuck to the 0, you will never get one output. Right? Or for this vector, you will never get output. D stuck at 0. So D stuck at 0. What about A?
A stuck at 0.
Very good. A stuck at 0. That means this vector can able to find these faults, these many faults, all this. Okay, this is the first case. Second, which path we should consider? Secondly, W2, then B, then D, then F. Okay, so these path we have considered: W1, W2, and W3. Now, as we are considering W2, so first we will give it 0 and then 1. What about W1 and W3?
W1 1, W3 0.
Very good. Okay. Now, for this 1 0 0, what is the expected output?
0.
Very good. Now, when it will turn to faulty output, that means 1. For which fault? In this path only. आता आपल्याला फक्त हा पाथ कन्सिडर करायचा. या पाथ मध्ये काय फॉल्ट आल्यामध्ये, काय फॉल्ट आल्या म्हणजे BDF हा स्टक ॲट 0 का स्टक ॲट 1 झाल्यानंतर आपल्याला हे फॉल्टी आउटपुट म्हणजे 1 मिळतं. ते आता आपल्याला फॉल्ट फाइंड आउट करायचे. सांगा चला. सो फर्स्ट आय विल राइट F स्टक ॲट 1. व्हॉट इज द नेक्स्ट?
D stuck at 1.
D stuck at 1. Next, what about B?
B stuck at 1.
Very good. B stuck at 1. Okay, that means by using this vector, we can able to find these faults. Okay. Now consider this case 1 1 0. So expected output is 1. Okay. Faulty output is 0. Okay. Now you have to tell me the faults. Okay. आता परत कन्फ्यूज व्हायचं नाही. इथे पण 1 1 0 आपण कव्हर केलाय, पण तो कुठल्या फॉल्ट साठी आपण कन्सिडर केला होता? हा या पाथ साठी. आता हा 1 1 0 आपण या पाथ साठी कन्सिडर करणार. ओके. तर आता ह्या टेस्ट वेक्टरनी किंवा ह्या टेस्ट वेक्टरचे या फॉल्ट या पाथचे आपल्याला आता फॉल्ट फाइंड आउट करायचे. हे दोन्ही सेम आहेत, पण पाथ वेगवेगळे इथे लक्षात घ्या. पाथ इज डिफरंट. ओके. सो टेल मी. Path is different. So again, I will write first F stuck at 0. Next, what about D?
D stuck at 0.
D stuck at 0. What about B?
B stuck at 0.
Very good. B stuck at 0. That means this vector can able to find these faults. This is the second case. Okay. Now we will discuss the third case. Okay. Now last part we have to consider. Okay. This is the third part that we will consider. Which path? W3, okay, to C to F. Okay. So we have considered this part, W1, W2, W3. Now as we are considering W3, so first we will give 0, then we will give 1. Okay. And what about W1 and W2? Both we will set to the 1, 1. Okay. Now again, first consider this vector. Tell me the corrected output for this 1, 1, 0. So it is
1.
1, and the faulty output will be 0. Now for this path W3CF, this part W3CF, when you will lead to the faulty output by considering this test vector. So first I will write F stuck at 0. Next, what about C? What about C?
Don't care.
Very good, very good. So here, see, we have given input to the W3. Okay, it is 0, and expected output is 1. But if faulty output is 0, now first condition it will happen if output itself gets stuck at 0, then we will get always faulty output. But in C path, okay, in C path, irrespective of the W3, you will always get the corrected output only. बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे C हा जर का 0 ला स्टक झाला किंवा 1 ला स्टक झाला, आउटपुट चेंज होणार आहे का? बघा बरं. 1 or 1, what you will get?
1.
1. म्हणजे जर का आपण असं धरून चालू की W3 नाही, सॉरी, C हा 1 ला स्टक झाला, तरी आउटपुट तुम्हाला काय मिळणार आहे?
1.
1च मिळणार आहे. बरोबर. आणि आता असं धरून चला की तो C 0 ला स्टक झालाय, तरी तुम्हाला आउटपुट काय मिळणार आहे?
1.
1. म्हणजे C काही असू द्या, आउटपुट तुम्हाला फॉल्टी मिळतंय का? कुठल्याही केसमध्ये आउटपुट फॉल्टी मिळतंय का?
नाही.
नाही. मग त्या केसमध्ये काय करायचं? हा जो C आहे त्याला डोंट केअर म्हणायचं. सो this will be the vector 1, 1, x. This x is nothing but don't care condition. That means हे व्हेरिएबल किंवा हे W3 इनपुट हे या पाथ साठी ह्या वेक्टरने टेस्ट करतायत. हा x can be 0, can be 1. This x means it can be 0, it can be 1. Doesn't matter. Irrespective of that, you will always get the corrected output. This is the first condition. आता next, consider this vector. Okay, that means you can say this vector can detect this fault. So but this fault is already covered in this and in this also, but still okay, we will mark it right now. After once we will finalize that, when we will think of next option. Okay, consider now this 1, 1, 1, and first tell me the corrected output.
1.
Okay, corrected output is 1 and the faulty output is 0. Again, do the same thing. Okay, do the same thing. First check when you will get the faulty output for this test vector. Okay. So first I will write f stuck at 1, f stuck at 0, that is the common. Next, what about C in this case also?
Don't care.
Very good, very good. That means in this case also the C is don't care. Very right. Now you are getting the things. That means this test vector C is irrespective, or any fault that happens with C is not dependent on the W1 and W2, right? So it should be a don't care condition. Now this is your final vectors. Okay. Now we have to finalize the thing, right? We have to finalize the thing. Now what conditions you should check? For this path, right? For this path, okay, fine. Though it is don't care, but we have to consider this case. Okay. Anyway, anyhow, we have to consider this case. Now, first, we have आपला रूल काय? पहिले जे मॅक्सिमम फॉल्ट कव्हर करतात ते वेक्टर घ्यायचे. आता सांगा मग पहिला वेक्टर कुठला घेऊ?
0 1 0.
0 1 0. Okay, so first I will consider 0 1 0. Next
1 1 0.
ओके, म्हणजे आता 0 1 0 आपण कन्सिडर केला, बरोबर आहे. मग त्यामधले आता फॉल्ट कुठले आपण कन्सिडर केले? हा एफ स्टक ॲट 1 कन्सिडर केला. मग जिथे जिथे एफ स्टक ॲट 1 आहे ते सोडून घ्या. नंतर डी स्टक ॲट 1 कन्सिडर केला. ओके, सो डी स्टक ॲट 1 कन्सिडर केलाय. ए स्टक ॲट 1 कन्सिडर केला. दुसरीकडे कुठे आहे का ए स्टक ॲट 1? नाही. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी विल कन्सिडर
1 1 0.
1 1 0, कारण तो दोनदा दिसतोय, राईट? ओके, नाउ वी विल कन्सिडर दिस 1 1 0. त्यांनी कुठले फॉल्ट डिटेक्ट केले? ओके, फाइन. दिस एफ स्टक ॲट 0, देन डी स्टक ॲट 0. ओके, फाइन. डी स्टक ॲट 0 आणि ए स्टक ॲट 0 आणि बी स्टक ॲट 0 हे पण फॉल्ट कव्हर झाले. ओके, सो वी विल so A stuck at 0 and B stuck at 0. Now which one is left? Only B stuck at 1. मग तो दुसऱ्या कुठल्याने कव्हर होतोय का? नाही. त्यामुळे हा पण आपल्याला कन्सिडर करावा लागणार. दॅट इज 1 0 0, right? That is 1 0 0. And last, though it is don't care, okay, though it is don't care, so you can put it 0 or you can put it 1. पण आपण 0, आता इथे हे डोंट केअर आहे म्हणजे इथे 0, पण 0 म्हणजेच काय आहे? तो 1 1 0. मग तो ऑलरेडी आपल्यात कव्हर झालाय, बरोबर आहे. त्यामुळे हा परत कन्सिडर करायची गरज नाही. म्हणजे आता तुमच्याकडे किती टेस्ट वेक्टर आले? फक्त 3. म्हणजे हे जे सर्किट आहे तुमचं, ते ह्या 3 टेस्ट वेक्टरने तुम्ही टेस्ट करू शकता. किंवा अजून तुम्ही असं लिहू शकता की इथे आपण 0 लिहिण्यापेक्षा हा डोंट केअर कन्सिडर करू, राईट? म्हणजे त्याच्यात 0 पण कव्हर होईल आणि 1 पण कव्हर होईल. सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ रायटिंग हिअर 0, इफ यू राईट डोंट केअर कंडिशन, ओके, और यू कॅन कन्सिडर द 4th टेस्ट वेक्टर ऑल्सो. इथे जर का तुम्हाला कन्फ्युजन होत असेल तर तुम्ही अजून 4th टेस्ट वेक्टर घ्या, दॅट इज 1 1 डोंट केअर. दॅट इज ऑल्सो अलाउड, नो प्रॉब्लेम. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही हा पण कन्सिडर करू शकता 4th as a 4th one. 1 1 don't care, you can consider, no problem. Anyway, the third bit is don't care condition. 1 1 and don't care, so you can consider these 4 vectors. This is your path sensitization method. This is your path sensitization method. आणि हे आपले टेस्ट वेक्टर आहेत. समजलंय का? समजलंय का? समजलंय का नाही?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again tomorrow we will go for one more example of this kind, path sensitization. Okay, and then we will move towards the next point, that is the random test. Okay, so random test is kind of it's just, you can say, extension to the Stuckart fault and path sensitization, or you can simply say it's a mixture of Stuckart fault and path sensitization that forms the random test method. But this Stuckart fault and this path sensitization is very important. ठीक आहे. ह्याचे तुम्हाला काय हे असे न्यूमरिकल्स नाही येणार आहेत एक्झाम मध्ये, पण ही मेथड काय आणि ऍक्च्युअली कसं आपण फॉल्ट फाइंड करतो हे तुम्हाला कळणं गरजेचं आहे. राईट, त्याचे काय न्यूमरिकल्स तुम्हाला येणार नाहीयेत, बट दे कॅन आस्क, कारण नवीन सिलेबस आहे, मागचा कुठला क्वेश्चन पेपर रेफरन्सला नाहीये. सो फॉर द सेक ऑफ युअर अंडरस्टँडिंग ऑल्सो अँड जस्ट टू बी ॲट अ सेफर साईड, हे न्यूमरिकल्स म्हणजे वाचा, समजून घ्या. ओके, समजलंय का सगळ्यांना? समजलंय का बाळांनो? All of you clear with the things? Boys, समजलंय का? ओमकार, श्लोक, सुजय, प्रदीप, प्रसन्न, प्रतीक, मंगेश, करण, then who is there? Sujit, संकेत जगताप, समजलंय का नाही? पल्लवी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow again we will go for one more example of such kind. Okay, we will stop here.